तो स्टूडेंट्स, बात चल रही है फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर की, फिजिकल टोपोलॉजी की। हम लोगों ने कुछ लिंक्स के बारे में पढ़ा, कुछ नोड्स के बारे में पढ़ा, एंड देन वी स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन ऑफ network topology. Students, we have already discussed the first of the four topologies that we spoke about, which is the mesh topology. As you can see, the mesh topology has got a dedicated link for every single node and the neighboring node to connect it. 5 station, 5 node mesh network. Number of links required, full duplex links required was 10. Now students, moving on, we have got the second physical topology, which is called the star topology. Students, in a star topology, as you can see, there is a dedicated link from every single node, from every single machine to a centralized point or a centralized server, which is called as a hub. Now students, mesh topology में आपने देखा था कि हर डिवाइस एक दूसरे से डायरेक्ट लिंक के जरिए कनेक्टेड थी. स्टूडेंट्स, in this particular case, that is not the scenario. Star topology में the hub plays the role of a central exchange. The two devices or whatever number of devices that are connected in a star topology, they do not talk to each other directly. Every single device talks to the hub, and if, for example, a machine A or a device A, if it wants to send something to device B, the normal path that's taken is from the machine A to the hub, and then from the hub back to machine B. Now students, as you can see, a clear advantage of this particular topology is that it requires a lot less cabling, a lot less number of nodes. हमने देखा था कि एक 5 node mesh topology के अंदर every machine needed to have at least 4 IO nodes, input-output nodes. In this particular case of star topology, you will have only one node that is required for every single device. The number of links that we needed in a mesh topology was 10. The number of links that is required in a star topology of 4 devices is only 4. One link each that is required to connect a device to the hub. Students, in this particular case as well, just like mesh, the fault identification is very easy. If the hub cannot talk to a particular machine, say machine number A, this link will be shown as broken, and therefore we'll know that we need to go back and we need to fix the fault or fix the break with one particular link. So fault identification is very easy. Students, the biggest disadvantage of the star topology is that the whole network is dependent upon a centralized exchange server, which is called as a hub. The hub is a piece of hardware which is actually a centralized connection point for every single device in this particular topology. What happens if this hub breaks? We will essentially lose the whole network. And so what we are doing is we are isolating. We have made this hub a single point of failure for the whole network, essentially, if you are using this topology. Students, in this particular case, you can see that the cabling is lesser than the cabling that's required for a mesh topology. But as you will see, this is still more cable than, for example, a bus topology would have. So remember the discussion that we had on a multi-point connection? A single bus that's originating from a server with multiple devices attached to that single bus using a tap will only use one centralized channel or one centralized link as compared to the number of links used in a star topology. In the star topology, if you have got n devices, you will need n links to be connected to the hub. So students, we have discussed the mesh topology, and we have discussed the star topology. Now we are going to talk about the bus and the ring topologies.